ഹായ് എവരി വൺ, വെൽക്കം ടു അവർ ചാനൽ. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമ്മുടെ ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. എല്ലാ മത്സര പരീക്ഷകളുടെയും പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ആൻഡ് ആൻസേഴ്സ് ആണ് ഈ ചാനലിലൂടെ നമ്മൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ജോലിക്ക് വേണ്ടി പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന എല്ലാ ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്കും ഇത് ഉപകാരപ്പെടും എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഓരോരുത്തരുടെയും യോഗ്യതയ്ക്കനുസരിച്ചുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറുകൾ വേർതിരിച്ച് കണ്ടെത്താൻ ചാനലിലെ പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റ് പരിശോധിക്കുക. ഈ ചാനൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടുവെങ്കിൽ മറക്കാതെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. തുടർന്നിടുന്ന വീഡിയോകളുടെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭ്യമാകാൻ ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോകാം.
ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോ ലാബ് അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് ഇൻ KCMMF കേരള സ്റ്റേറ്റ് കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് മിൽക്ക് മാർക്കറ്റിംഗ് ഫെഡറേഷൻ 12/8/2022 നടത്തിയ ലാബ് അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് എക്സാമിന്റെ സോൾവ്ഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു Arrhenius concept, acid is a substance which dissociate to give dash ions in solution. Correct answer option C, H+. Next question, pH of 1.0 m sodium hydroxide solution is. Correct answer option C, 14. In a thermodynamic process, if no heat enters or leaves the system is called. Correct answer option B, adiabatic process. Next, when alcohol added to water, surface tension. Correct answer option B, decreases. Next question, 2 gram of sodium hydroxide dissolved in 100 ml water. The molarity of the solution is. Correct answer is 0.5 m. Colligative property of a solution is proportional to. Answer option B, number of solute particles in the solution. In AgCu, cell oxidation occurs at. Correct answer option D, Cu electrode. Next, which of the following molecule does not show infrared spectrum? Correct answer option C, H2. The elastic scattering of photons are called. Answer is Rayleigh scattering. Next question, which of the following shift lead to increased intensity on absorption of UV visible radiation? Correct answer option A, hyperchromic shift. Next, number of ESR hyperfine splitting lines of methyl radical, that means CH3 radical, is. Correct answer option D, 4. Next, for measuring chemical shift in NMR spectroscopy, the chemical compound commonly used as reference is. Correct answer option A, tetramethylsilane. In which chromatography stationary phase is held in a narrow tube and the mobile phase is forced through under pressure? Answer option A, high pressure liquid chromatography. The first milk produced by cow after calving is called. Answer colostrum. Specific gravity of milk can be determined by using. Answer lactometer. Which of the following cow breed gives maximum yield of milk? Correct answer option D, Holstein Friesian. Next, the vitamin which is deficient in milk is. Answer option D, C. That means vitamin C. Vitamin C is deficient in milk. Next question, the official record of registered animals of a breed kept by the breed association is called. Correct answer, head book. To the water extract of the cattle feed, addition of concentrated sulfuric acid dash color indicates the presence of MAUA K. Answer violet. Next, ammonium molybdate reagent is used for identifying dash in cattle feed. Answer phosphorus. The color of milk is a blend of individual effects produced by colloidal casein particles and. Answer carotene. Volhard's method is used for detecting dash content in butter. Answer salt. Example of Newtonian fluid is answer milk. Next question. Milk is a rich source of energy. The fat content in cow milk is dash calorie per gram. Correct answer option D 9.3. 25th question PSC delete ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Next question. Which among the following requires sodium ion dependent transport for intestinal absorption? Answer glucose. Identify the protein which has phosphate as its prosthetic group. Correct answer option B casein. Question. Megaloblastic anemia is caused due to the deficiency of which among the following vitamin? Correct answer option D folic acid. 29th question PSC delete ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Next question. The level of structural organization of protein unaffected by denaturation is? Correct answer option A primary. Next question. Identify the subunits in the heteropolysaccharide keratin sulfate. Correct answer is option D D-galactose and N-acetyl glucosamine 6 sulfate. Question. The positions of double bond in linolenic acid are? Answer option C 9, 12 and 15. Next question. Identify the plasma protein responsible for maintaining the osmotic balance in our body. Answer option B albumin. Identify the enzyme which catalyzes substrate level phosphorylation reaction in TCA cycle. Correct answer option C succinate thiokinase. Next question. The disease caused due to the deficiency of fetanic acid oxidase is? Correct answer option B Refsum's disease. Which among the following amino acids do not undergo transamination reaction? Correct answer option A lysine and threonine. The normal serum calcium concentration is? Correct answer 9.1 to 11 mg/dl. Next question. Cyclopentanoperhydrophenanthrin nuclease is the basic structure unit in which biomolecule? Answer option C cholesterol. The mineral oxide content in a food sample can be determined by measuring the? Correct answer option B ash content. Next, which among the following is the range of the melting point of milk fat? Answer option D 32 to 36 degrees Celsius. Next question. The antibody which is present in the highest concentration in serum is? Correct answer option D IgG. Next, the groups located on the surface of an antigen molecules which are recognized by the antibody is? Correct answer option B epitope. Which among the following radioactive isotope is commonly used in radioimmunoassay? Correct answer option C iodine 125. Identify the solvent used for the process of defatting in cold extraction. Correct answer option A petroleum ether. Blocking agent is used in Western blotting. Identify the purpose. Answer option B blocks the binding of antibody to the membrane. Which among the following technique make use of immunofluorescence? Correct answer option A confocal microscopy. Identify the constituents in the milk protein. Options are whey proteins, casein, ferritin, both A and B. Correct answer option D both A and B. The protein content can be measured using which among the following methods? Correct answer option A Cadel method. The class of antibody that is expressed on the surface of B lymphocytes is? Correct answer option D IgM. Identify the enzyme used in a technique of ELISA. Correct answer option A. Horseradish peroxidase. Next question is Rocky Mountain spotted fever is caused by answer Rickettsia rickettsii or Rickettsia rickettsii. Option A is the correct answer. Next question, bacterial conjugation was described by correct answer option B Liederberg and Tatum. Next, which of these are basic dyes? Answer is option A methylene blue crystal violet. Next, mesosomes are present in answer both gram-positive and negative bacteria. Bacterial membrane contains sterol-like molecules called hopnoids. Hopnoids are answer option A pentacyclic sterols. Final blow of spontaneous generation was given by answer option Z John Tyndall. Fixative osmium tetroxide is used to stabilize answer cell structure. Next question is diameter of metal grid for specimen mount used in electron microscope is correct answer option A 3.05 mm. Medium containing serum or egg are sterilized by answer option Z inspissator. The membrane used in budding of coronaviruses are answer option Z Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum. Which of the following is most effective in destroying microorganisms? Answer high temperature, low moisture. Which of the below mentioned conditions determines thermal death time? Answer option D. Temperature is fixed and time is varied. Which of the algae has structure called gullet? Correct answer option A. Euglenoids. Modified atmosphere packing content of carbon dioxide commonly used to prevent spoilage of packed food is correct answer option Z greater than 60%. Which of the statement is correct regarding algal toxins? Options are commonly found in fish and marine animals. Algal toxins are neurotoxic. Algal toxins are temperature stable. Next option, all of the above. Correct answer option D, all of the above. Next question, ultra high temperature pasteurization process involves. Correct answer option Z, 141 C for 2 seconds. Next, in flat sour spoilage, which conditions are observed? Answer, acid formation without gas. Option B is the correct answer. The intensity of radiation commonly used to sterilize meat products in rad pasteurization is answer option A 4.5 to 5.6 megarads. Method of sterilization used to remove 90% of pathogenic microorganisms from spices is correct answer option D ethylene oxide. Semi-soft blue cheese are produced by correct answer option C Penicillium roqueforti. Next, xerophilic organisms prefer to grow at answer low AW condition. Dairy product of mold lactic fermentation is answer option B villi. Which of the following is a reason for rancidity of fat in butter? Correct answer option A production of short-chained fatty acids. Next, coumarins is a natural antimicrobial agent found in answer option B plants and vegetables. Sandwich ELISA method is used for the detection of answer option B antigen. Which of the following possesses buffering capacity? So, proteins, nucleic acid, lipids, all of the above. Correct answer option D all of the above. The number of different possible DNA sequences with n nucleotides is answer 4 raised to n. Cytosine is answer option D 2-oxy-4-aminopyrimidine. Next, which is the least conserved histone? Answer option B, H1. DNA sequences interact with sigma factor of RNA polymerase is. Correct answer option C, TAT. Biopesticides are. Options are biochemical pesticides, microbial pesticides, next plant incorporated protectants, all of this. Correct answer option D, all of this. Single cell protein is derived from. Options are bacteria, fungi, algae, all of this. Answer all of this. Next question is therapeutic proteins. Options are binds non-covalently to the target, affect covalent bonds, next exert no specific interaction, all of this. Answer option D, all of this. Which enzyme is not used for improving quality of bread in food industry? Correct answer option B, beta-galactosidase. Patent Act amendment in 2021 refers to. Answer option B, reduction of fee for patent filing and prosecution for educational institutions. The following biocontrol agent is commonly used in controlling phytophthora infections in plants. Correct answer option A, trichoderma. Next, GP293 cell lines are mainly used in the overproduction of. Answer, growth factor. Meat tenderization is often enhanced by. Options are propane, bromelain, both A and B, A only. Correct answer option C, both A and B. Which of the following is a chiotropic agent? Answer option B, guanidine. Next question, agarose consists of. Answer option A, galactose and 3,6-anhydrogalactose. Next, strain used to detect glycoproteins in gel. Correct answer option C, periodic acid Schiff strain. Asymmetric PCR differs from regular PCR in. Answer, the amount of primer used. Option A. Which is the highly sensitive technique used for the identification and quantification of pesticide residues. Correct answer option C, LC-MS. Next question, recombinant DNA technology was invented by. Answer, Boyer, Cohen and Paul Berg. Option A is the right answer. Technique which employ nucleic acid probe for the diagnosis of viral diseases. Options are dot blot hybridization, sandwich hybridization, in situ hybridization, all of this. Correct answer option D, all of this. Regulations and guidelines of recombinant DNA research and biocontainment came into force in. Correct answer option B, 2017. Next question, which membrane is commonly used in northern blotting? Answer option B, nylon. Which of the following can be used as a vaccine? Answer option A, live attenuated viruses. Next question, which one of the following statement is not correct with respect to DNA probes used in microbial identification? Statements are, they cannot be used to identify microorganisms that are not readily cultured or biochemically identified. Second statement, they cannot be used to identify microorganisms that do not possess diagnostic antigens. Third statement, it allows differentiation of pathogenic from aviulent strains. Fourth statement, can identify of antibiotic resistance genes. Correct answer option B, 1 and 2 is wrong. And the last question in this video is, first recombinant vaccine was against. Correct answer option A, hepatitis B.
Okay friends, this is all for today. ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടുവെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടാതെ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്.